Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rida from Fast News Islamabad. This is our digital logic design project titled 6-bit password authentication using LED indicators. I worked on this project along with Amna Naved and Isha Bukhari. In today's digital age, security is essential, whether it's protecting access to devices or securing sensitive areas. A reliable and user-friendly authentication system is critical. Our objective was to design a 6-bit password-based access control system using basic digital logic gates. In this project, we designed a simple digital password authentication system using combinational logic. It verifies whether a 6-bit binary input matches a preset password. If the input is correct, a green LED turns on. Otherwise, a red LED lights up. This demonstrates of how digital logic gates can be used to build real-world authentication systems. We built our circuit in Proteus using basic logic gates and components. The system uses 6 XOR gates labeled U1 to U6. Each XOR gate compares a user-entered bit with the stored password bit. If the bit matches, the XOR inputs is 0. All XOR outputs go through diodes which combine them in a logic OR form. This combined output is then passed through a NOR gate U7. If all XOR inputs are 0, means that the entered password matches. The NOR gate gives a high signal. This signals turn on the green light, indicating success. Here we entered the correct password so that the green LED turns on, confirming successful authentication. Now, let's try an incorrect input by changing the last bit from 0 to 1. Now, one XOR gate gives 1 so that the NOR gate U7 outputs 0. The red LED turns on. This clearly shows that even one incorrect bit will cause authentication to fail. Now, final demonstration of our project. In this clip, you can see the working of our 6-bit password authentication system. The user enters a 6-bit password using the data entry switches. When the enter button is pressed, the system compares the entered password with the predefined static password set using the hidden key code switches. If all 6 bits matches exactly, the green LED lights up, indicating successful authentication. If there's any mismatch, the red LED turns on, showing that the access is denied. This real-time response demonstrates the accuracy functionality of our digital logic design using XOR and NOR gates. Now, if the input is correct, a green LED turns on. Otherwise, red LED turns on. Now, we will enter correct password so that green LED turns on. This project helped us apply digital logic concepts to build a working 6-bit password authentication system. We gained hands-on experience with XOR and NOR gates, learned how bitwise comparison works in real hardware. It strengthened our understanding of combinational circuits and circuit design. In the future, this system can be expanded with more bits or integrated with a keypad for enhanced functionality.